So the security guard is arrested, and it looks like the footage got to the police, and like kuvele kube kuningi same time, and I don't understand why. So that security guy that got arrested is the guy that went to Kwezikazi and said that a lot is going on because now police came, but bafuna is CCTV footage, and I gave it to them. So Ukwezi now is having flashbacks of the lies that he told Kubas. So now I don't know if this is the time where she has to change her mind and go and tell Kubas the truth, because now Usenjeni Ugel, her car was seen there on the crime scene, and she is the only one that is lying. And if she tells Kubas the truth, then somehow the lawyer will lie and then get her out of jail. But it looks like Ugel nje umegula mazuwa ko protecting ndoda yakhe. Okay. Okungenani ke uGuy uyasho ukuthi, listen, they came and left me with no choice but to give it to them, and I did. So now, which means that half of the truth is out. So what is left is jail. Somebody needs to tell the truth. And security now, he is arrested. So I'm sure Ukwezikazi will see that he is arrested because people took videos, and these videos they're gonna go to Nkosi and Ukwezikazi. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skeem Saam Dimadekwana. Sanbana Abshen Malweni Minjani. Ibukile hingongwina. So namuhla kano kwa hina wa Skeem Saam hikuma kurushlof tsemsekangi kahle. Looking at the fact that Umelita has left home. Uhambile ugeli ushiya yonke into phansi, left, and not like she's just throwing tantrums in things that she cannot change. Bottom line is Ivy uyasebenza pha esibhedlela and akhonto azoyenza ugeli. Akaperishi uyagowa umntana. And there's nothing she can do about it. And she is very uyistitike ukuhamba, because at the end of the day, if ushiya Mr. Home no Mrs. Home. Who knows what can go where? I'm just saying. But yeah, anyway. So Umelita has left home, and then Abantwana, they're just not about that life, and they're not even willing to nice. They're like, no, drama let's just be okay. Paxton seems to be understanding but remember, Umelita is her to Uma usebenza lapaya. Obviously give her some time to come around, variety. And apart from that, Paxton uyazama ukuhamba, and it looks like between him and the stepsister things are going well. So which is like a happy home, except for Batswadi. Sitswadi ki sona problem elong gore balwa left, right, and center. Well, speaking of Sitswadi, Evelyn decided to be a cool kid and brought flowers. But the problem is those flowers reminded or brought flashbacks for Ivy, and Ivy was having flashback of but then she had to put that behind her back and head for work. She was very appreciative and saying, Evelyn said, I wish I had brought this on your first day. Then she said, today is officially my first day at work, because previously it was like an induction. Now I actually am starting my first day at work. So, which is a thank you to you. Lihasa decided to go and see Mr. Peterson, which did not really end well, because Mr. Peterson Sr. walked in while Lihasa was forcing information out of Lihasa was forcing information out of Mr. Peterson, and Mr. Peterson Sr. was there, and then he says, I want you to tell me how this looks, because he said, no, this is not how it looks like. It's like when you're caught with your pants down, it's not what you think. So he said, it's not how it looks like, and then he said, I want you to explain to me how it looks like on your face, because right now this looks like the person that you took to jail is the one is your alibi, that's the one that's giving you information. Is it alibi? I don't know, but it's the one that is giving you information that we cannot rely to, and that looked very bad for Mr. Peterson. It makes him look like the information that he's giving is not trustworthy. Anyway, wedding planning, but Pretty is like she's no longer interested in the wedding planner. But good news is Eunice made it to Pretty Siakamela's soon-to-be Maposa's house, and they are going to plan this wedding together, which is a good and a plus for her, because she was worried with Umganwake is not coming. At the time when she needed her most, Umgan is throwing her under the bus, so which means that she does not have anyone to hold hands with and do this wedding thing together. Now that Eunice has now pitched, it means that Yonkinto is Ohambango Momo, because now whatever that she was planning. And the question is that I just don't understand if she's going to discontinue the friendship or the relationship that she has with the wedding planner, Angazi. Or Mr. Homo is very frustrated at work, frustrated at home, because now bamtshela ukuthi emsebenzini ukuthi phela besesimangala. In fact, people were confused ukuthi which Miss Homo, is it Mrs. Homo current or Mrs. Homo senior. So now that the junior has left, we only have one Mrs. Homo. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you found this video beautiful and nice, you enjoyed it, please give me a comment down below. Remember, we do not post full episodes.